One of these animals can fly in this zoo. Which of them, chicken or hen?
It's hen.
God have mercy upon us.
Talk that thing now.
Now hen they fly. Okay. Have you know they sure?
I'm not sure.
They say one of these is classified under bird, chicken or hen. Which one go
Hen.
Are we
fly? Chicken cannot fly.
What is your question?
Question no hard though. If you ask them, may they help you out?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Now very simple question. No run. Now very simple.
God have mercy upon us.
Chicken can fly. A hen they fly. Yes. Oh boy, you too much.
No, they pay.